First of all, we have our coffees.
First of all.
Second of all, our part came in.
Woo!
So we're super excited about this. Super impressed that Unifiller got it to us like in a day.
So fast.
All right, let's do it.
That's awesome.
This is the piece that we've been looking for. Check it out, check it out. Boom, that's what we needed. I'm excited, let's put it together. All right, y'all, so while we're just opening up packages, I got a package from Amazon. And let me show what I got. Instead of hairnets, I ordered some bakery-themed, chef-themed do-rags for the guys. Wow, that hair is crazy. So, put this on when I'm cooking some bricks. See how I look in a do-rag. Oh yeah, I could be a biker. Hardcore. I also got some socks, some Max Dry, I think, Dry Max socks, which if you listen to the last podcast that I published, not the 100th episode with Crystal and I, but the one before, where we were talking about endurance running, he recommended these Dry Max socks. So I got these for the marathon. If you listen to that podcast, you'll know that he also recommended an anti-chafing solution, which instead of using Body Glide, he recommended silicone-based sex lube. So that's what I have for the marathon, anti-chafing silicone-based sex lube. He said it works much better than the Body Glide. So if you're gonna do any endurance running, get you some silicone-based anal lubricant. And that supposedly works better than the actual Body Glide, which is for running. So now that I've got my do-rag, my socks, and my anal sex lube, I'm good to run a marathon. So it's lunchtime. We've been working on the computer all day. Crystal's been working on calls. I've been working on calls. I got 2 more calls. I'm eating my 80-20 or 75-25 ground beef with probably about 6 ounces of the Kite Hill brand almond-based cream cheese. Then we're gonna go train legs after these calls, so we'll take you along for that. All right, y'all, I'm gonna try and put together this equipment. Hopefully it doesn't break on me this time. Let's see what happens. Crystal's slacking on the job. On her phone,
Multitasking.
Oh, slacking. I'm docking your pay.
I'm stealing the camera because I want you guys to see Robert's focus face. So here we go.
What are you doing?
How's it coming?
Haven't got it together yet. Alright, y'all, we don't know if this is gonna work yet or not, but we're gonna find out. Just get done mixing a batch of keto bricks. So we're gonna pour it into our depositing hopper here. Brick loveliness. I've got to prime. We haven't calibrated this yet, so I've got to calibrate it. And I've got to prime the hose, but I'm about to push the trigger, so it's gonna take a little while. Alright, so this is a test batch. None of the bricks that we make through this test batch we're gonna sell because we've just been having all kinds of issues. I mean, look at this. We got brick on the ceiling, y'all. What do you think?
Pretty crazy.
We're calibrating things right now, so we haven't got everything dialed in just like we want it, but we're getting there.
Perfect.
Alright, y'all. Today has gotten away from us in a serious way. Haven't eaten that much. We haven't trained. Our schedule's all kinds of janky. What do you think?
All kinds janky.
Took us forever to figure out how to run that thing because lots of different reasons. But we got it running now. And it works pretty good, so.
It's been a good day though.
Yeah.
It's been a good day. It just got away from us. It's just.
We just don't have any schedule.
does.
You know, like the 6x6 thing. Actually, let me continue this thought inside so you can hear me better. Hold on. Anyways, what I was saying is like the whole 6x6, 6 months at 6,000 calories also had an emphasis on 6 other pillars, or 6 pillars total. One of which was like getting a routine, kind of like meditation, self. Whew, that ain't really easy to do when you own a business. Let me tell you, the buck stops here with me. So if stuff needs to get done, I'm the one that's got to do it. And with that oftentimes comes no time for self or no structured routine, which is normally okay, but I don't like not having a structured routine when it comes to the workout. Like I'm having to switch around workout days. I'm having to like skip workout days. I just don't like that, you know, like I'm a competitive bodybuilder. I'm a pro bodybuilder. It's not cool to have to change around my workout schedule. I love business. I'm an entrepreneur, so I have to kind of figure out how to juggle both effectively and efficiently, and that's oftentimes very hard to do. So that's part of the process, though. It's what I signed up for. Gotta love it. So I'm gonna work on that. Tomorrow is a new day. It's like 8 o'clock right now. I might just eat a big meal and go to bed, honestly. I wake up early and try and reset things, get back on a routine, try and have a routine and just get to work. So that's kind of what I'm leaning towards right now. So I'll see you in the morning. Take care.